The all-new 2024 Grand Highlander adds more space and power to Toyota's Highlander family. Is this the new king of three-row family crossovers? We have a first look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com, click New Cars, Research, and then select Toyota. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The 2024 Grand Highlander is a large family crossover positioned between the popular Highlander and the full-size truck-based Sequoia. Pricing starts at $43,070 for the front-wheel drive XLE with a base 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. The hybrid starts at $44,670. The top trim is the Platinum, featuring the Hybrid Max powertrain, shown here with options for $59,460. This top-end hybrid produces an impressive 362 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. All-wheel drive is standard on vehicles equipped with the Hybrid Max system. This Grand Highlander Platinum comes standard with a direct-shift 6-speed automatic transmission. EPA rates economy at 27 miles to the gallon combined. Want the big size and the best economy? Go with the front-wheel drive hybrid for an impressive 36 combined. Towing is competitive too, with the hybrid able to tow 3,500 pounds. Turbo and Hybrid Max top out at 5,000 pounds. In the back, there is plenty of space to bring the whole family and all their gear. Fold all the seats flat for an impressive 97.5 cubic feet of cargo space. In our test vehicle, the second row was equipped with captain's chairs that are both heated and ventilated. Passengers also get their own aircon and power. Up front is a cabin that really delivers with modern tech and style. The main infotainment system is the same setup shared with Lexus. This was designed at their Texas Development Center, and it features advanced voice commands, maps, entertainment, and vehicle information. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. There's even a charging pad at this trim level. One really nice feature is that the climate controls are still easy to reach knobs and buttons. With other car makers rushing to incorporate everything into oversized touchscreens, this is a nice surprise. The Platinum trim has powered driver and passenger seats, covered in leather with bronze stitching and accents. The gauge cluster is a full-color digital display with a clean and easy-to-read design that is full of useful information. Of course, there are a variety of drive modes, including Sport and Off-Road. These modify output and control for optimal performance. Driving the Grand Highlander Platinum with the new Hybrid Max powertrain is really surprising. This is one fun-to-drive SUV. With the ability to shift up to 80% of available torque to the rear wheels, this cuts through the corners like a beast. The Grand Highlander is nothing short of a revelation on the road. The fact that you can bring the whole family along makes it even better. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to find your local AutoNation Toyota dealer. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today.